Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to create a Spring Boot application using Spring Initializer. So first get into Spring Initializer, click on this first link. We need to fill few details here, okay? Choose Maven project and Java, and then choose Spring Boot version. So and then give a group name. So I'm giving it as homework codes. So and then we need to give a name. So I'm giving it as first Spring Boot app. So and then we need to choose a packaging type. I'm choosing jar and then I'm choosing Java version as 16 because I'm using 16. If you're using 8 or 11, you can choose. I'm going to add dependencies now. So we need to add web dependency, Spring Web, and then we need to add H2 in-memory database. So, okay, with that, I'm generating the project. So click on this generate button. Our project file will get generated. So this is our project file. And extract it. Our project got extracted here. So and then I'm going to import it into the IDE. So I'm using IntelliJ, so I'm going to open it here. Open homework codes, first Spring Boot app. Okay, trust the project. It'll take some time to load the components and to add the dependency jars. Okay, all the required files got added. We can run our project now. Go to source, main, Java, the first one. First Spring Boot application. So I'm going to execute it. So now our application got started with 8080 port. Okay, so we need to execute it with localhost colon 8080. So we'll get white label error because we didn't do any controller mapping for this. So we'll get this. In the upcoming videos, we'll see how to do put, get, and delete, update those operations.